Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your Bing Wallpaper app is not working, then watch this video for the solution. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that the daily wallpaper refresh option is enabled. We will click on this arrow button in the taskbar. We'll find the Bing app, right click on it and click on settings. Make sure that the daily wallpaper refresh is ticked. The second thing we need to do is we need to check the internet connection. So we will open the browser, type in website fast.com or any website you use to check the internet speed, and we have to make sure that our internet speed is at least 20 megabytes per second or above. If it is below, then there is a problem with your internet connection. You need to contact your internet service provider. Now the third option is to close any other wallpaper app running in the background. For that we need to go to task manager, click on it, and we need to browse through this list to see if there is any other wallpaper app running in the background. If we do not want to go through such an exhaustive list, we can click on startup apps to check if there's any other wallpaper app that opens on startup and conflicts with the Bing Wallpaper app. And other thing we can do is to enable the Bing Wallpaper app at startup, and we do that by right clicking on start button, going to settings, clicking on apps and clicking on startup, and we'll make sure that this button is on against Bing Wallpaper so that whenever we restart the computer or start the computer, the Bing Wallpaper app is active. The last option is to uninstall and reinstall the app. So for that, we need to right click on the start button, look for settings, go to apps, installed apps, and look for the Bing Wallpaper app. Click on the three buttons here, click on uninstall, uninstall, and once it is uninstalled, then we will go to the browser and we will look for the Bing Wallpaper app download. So there you go. Click on it and download the app in your language, and then click on the installation folder and it should reinstall and work perfectly. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.